I'm going to show you how to install Telegram on your Android device. It's quick, simple, and takes just a few minutes. Let's get started. We can install the Telegram Android app in two ways. One is by using the Google Play Store, and another one is by installing the APK file directly from Telegram. We will talk about every scenario. You can use the timestamps from the description to get to the part you are interested in. Please note that I am using Pixel 7a with Android 15 installed on my device. This tutorial can be used for any Android version, as the steps should be almost the same. First, let's look at the most common way to install apps, using the Google Play Store to install Telegram. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In order to install an app on your Android phone, you need to be logged in with a Google account. It is possible that you have not added an account on your Google Play Store. If you get to this screen, then it means you need to log into a Google account. If that is the case, we will guide you on how to create or log into your Google account. If you are already logged on to your account, skip this step by clicking the timestamp from the description of the video. Tap on Sign In. It is possible to be asked the PIN number or the fingerprint to continue to the next step. Follow the on-screen instructions. Now we reached another screen that gives us two possibilities. One is to use a Google account that we already have, or another option is to create a new account. We will talk about every option. Let's see how we can log into an account we already have. Type your email address or phone number associated with your Google account and tap Next. Enter your password and tap Next. If two-factor authentication is enabled, complete the verification process. On this step, select the proper access. Use this device for you or for a child and tap Next. Review and accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy to complete the sign-in process. Tap I agree. You can disable the backup if you do not need it on this page, but I suggest to leave it on. Now, tap on More and then Accept. Now tap on Get Started. You can verify your purchases by using biometrics or using your password. If you want to be faster, I suggest using your biometrics, but you can choose what you want. You can now install any app from the Google Play Store. But what if you do not have an account on the Google Play Store? How can you install apps? You need to create an account. Do not worry, it's fast and easy. Let's reset to the screen where we needed to log in to show you how you can create a Google account. Tap on Create Account. When you make a Google account, you are presented with the option to choose the type of account that best suits your needs. Let's take a closer look at each type of account. Personal account. This is the most common type of Google account and is designed for individual users. A personal account provides access to a wide range of Google services such as Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, YouTube, and more. It allows you to manage your personal emails, files, and online activities, as well as customize your account settings and preferences. Account for your child. Google provides a specialized type of account designed for children under the age of 13. Known as a Google account for kids or Family Link. This account is created and managed by a parent or guardian who has their own Google account. With a child account, parents can set up parental controls, manage content restrictions, monitor activity, and approve app downloads. It allows children to access age-appropriate Google services and gradually gain independence online while ensuring a safer digital environment. For work or my business. Formerly known as G Suite, a business account is tailored for organizations, businesses, and educational institutions. It provides a comprehensive suite of productivity and collaboration tools, including Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and more. When choosing the account type, it's important to select the one that aligns with your specific requirements. A personal account is suitable for individual use, while a child account offers parental controls for younger users. Business accounts provide a robust set of tools for professional purposes, facilitating communication and productivity within organizations. We will select a personal use account as that will do the majority of you. Once you're on the Google account creation page, you'll need to provide some personal information. Start by entering your first and last name in the designated fields. Tap Next. Select your birthday and gender and tap Next. You can create a Gmail account or use your email address. If you use your email address, you will be getting an extra step to verify the email. You will receive an email with a verification code that you will need to provide to Google so they can verify you are actually the owner of that email address. Because it is easier and it does not cost anything, I will select to create a new Gmail address. Next, it's time to choose a username and password for your Google account. Your username will be your Gmail email address, so pick a unique and memorable one. If your desired username is unavailable, you'll be prompted to choose an alternative. Also, you can tap on Create Your Own Gmail Address and pick a custom username. After you are pleased with the username, tap on Next. Take a moment to think of a strong password, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This will help secure your account. Then tap Next. It's important to add recovery information to your Google account. This includes providing a recovery phone number and an alternate email address. In case you forget your password or need to recover your account, Google will use this information to help you regain access. Make sure the phone number and email address you enter are valid and accessible to you. I will skip this step. Tap Next to confirm your new email address. On these steps, you can personalize some settings. I will use the first option as I do not wish to go on every step and make this a very long video. You can choose whatever you would like on this part. Now you will have to confirm settings and cookies. Scroll down and tap on Accept All or Reject All. Scroll down and tap on Confirm. Scroll down and tap on I agree. You can disable the backup if you do not need it on this page, but I suggest to leave it on. Now tap on More and then Accept. You need to accept the terms of service for the Google Play Store. Tap Accept. Now tap on Get Started. You can tap here whatever you want. You can now install any app from the Google Play Store. Tap on the search icon from the bottom. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type Telegram and hit the search button. Look for the official Telegram app. It should have the blue paper plane logo. Tap on it to open the app details. Now tap the Install button. The app will start downloading and installing automatically. Wait for the process to complete. Once the installation is done, tap Open to launch Telegram for the first time. But what if you do not want to install the Telegram app from the Google Play Store? Or maybe an app might not be available on the Play Store. Or you cannot use your Google Play Store because you do not remember your password. In that case, you can use an APK file, but be careful only to download APKs from trusted sources. I suggest always downloading the APK files from the original owner of the app, not from another place. Also, be sure to install only important apps or apps that have been tested and are for sure not infected with malware. If you install APK files from unknown sources, you can end by infecting your device with malware and get your important data, credit card, or password leaked on the internet. But let me show you how you can install an APK file. Let me reset the installation. Use your browser to find and download the APK file for the app you want to install. Open the Chrome app. Search on Google. Telegram followed by the word APK. You see, I found in the first results the official site for the Telegram app. Tap on that site. I want to install the app from the Telegram site, so I will tap Now Download Telegram. The download has started. You can tap on Details to see the exact progress. After the download is complete, tap on the file you just downloaded or on the Open. You will receive a warning about not being able to install the app. Do not worry. Tap on Settings. Now enable the toggle. Allow from this source. When you enable the toggle, the installation process will start. Tap Install. The installation will start, and when it ends, you can tap on Open to open the app. Now we reached a point where both methods are the same. Tap Start Messaging. Tap Continue. Allow Telegram to make and manage calls. To set up your account, enter your phone number and verify it with the code sent via SMS or by call. After you enter your phone number, tap on the arrow from the bottom right. Tap Continue. Allow Telegram to access call logs. Now Telegram will send you an SMS. It is possible that the text should be automatically detected and the code should be written directly on the install. If the phone does not write the code, enter it into the messaging app. Write the code here and tap Continue. The app will ask you the permission to send you notifications. This is a very important permission. If you do not allow this, you will not see any notification when somebody will send you a message. So I suggest to tap on Allow. And that's how you install Telegram on your Android phone. Now you can chat, join groups, and explore channels to stay connected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.